to kick off this week, we're going to look at an ETF together right now that's been trending very bullishly for quite some time, and on our tool just gave us another buy signal from a trending perspective. And specifically what we're going to look at is an ETF that tracks uranium. The ticker symbol is URA. So I'm going to quickly flip on over to the charts and just give you just first of all, maybe just quickly the description of what it is. And essentially, if you look at the description, I know it's a bit small, but you can see what this is trying to do is basically track the performance of the global uranium index. So let's start off with some simple charts, and then we'll have a look at what our tool is telling us more specifically. So first of all, just looking at a very simple chart here, you can see what the longer term price action has been of this ETF that is tracking uranium. You can see obviously there was quite a bear market for some time. Then you can see how we kind of track this more near term in 2020. And we had a real meltdown into the COVID lows basically, and then started to recover, had a classic inverse head and shoulders pattern. And ever since cracking above what really is really important resistance, around, I'm going to call it $20 just to round up, this ETF has kind of been stalling. Yes, we made higher highs, but we've basically now, just a few weeks ago, retraced back to where this index was really just about a year ago. So over the past 12 months, except for the past couple of weeks now, again, it really hasn't done a heck of a lot. It's been choppy, but we think a new bullish trend here is re-emerging. Now, to put this in context, if we look at our proprietary tool here, you can see how it gave us a buy signal in August of 2020, then finally told us to get out of it from a trending perspective. So that was about 110% return. And now you can see more recently, since the past few weeks, not quite a month ago, we now have the green background denotes the bullish trend. So you can see a new bullish trend developing. So we very much like this this trend here developing. Again, in the bigger sense, if you are into sort of the commodity reflation and really the fact that we could see just in general a continuation of the commodity bull market through a longer term lens. This is not an immediate gratification trade. This is not a swing trade. I don't think this is something one should consider with a timing of anything less than at least a couple of quarters. But in the bigger sense, we really like this trade. The ticker symbol is URA. Hope it helps. See you again soon.